The island's teachers have rejected the government's latest wage offer. Both parties resumed talks on Friday, but as we hear in this report, the teachers say the government needs to present a better offer.
Following the last sit-down between the JTA and the Finance Ministry on Friday, JTA President Georgia Waugh Richards said a special General Council meeting was held Monday morning to consider the government's offer for a wage increase.
The offer was put to a vote and the majority voted to reject the current offer. Our next move, therefore, will be that the association will write formally to the Ministry of Finance to inform them of the teachers' latest position.
Neither the government nor the teachers provided details on what was offered. But at a JLP meeting on Sunday, State Minister with responsibility for the public service, Roger Spencer, expressed optimism that what was presented to the teachers would be looked on favorably.
The teachers left the meeting, and I must tell you, I am not sure they were unhappy. They weren't unhappy. So we are expecting something good to come from them.
The JTA president also reacted to Finance Minister Audley Shaw, who asked if her members are willing to wait until the 2019-2020 fiscal year for retroactive monies that were to be paid out at the end of March.
I would imagine that persons would have counted the cost. So it's not a dialogue that we've had to say, yes, they said to me they are willing to wait until that time. But the fact that they have rejected, I'm sure they know what they're rejecting.
Herman Green, TVJ News.